lovelies, it's Erica with Theebeautybuff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then why don't you subscribe below? Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads, and also give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if you like beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. On this channel, we just like to relax and let loose and get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, taking a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. I'm just going to take you quickly through how I got this eye look, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright lovely, so I have my base done and I'm going to be doing another fall inspired look. I'm going to be using an Oldie but a Goodie, and this is the Natasha Denona Safari palette. And of course, pretty sure you've seen this, but this is how it looks on the inside. So I'm just going to be creating a fall look with this. I'm going to be first going in with this color here, like a transition color. I think it's called Tamarind. I'm just going to zoom you in a little closer. I'm just building the color up slowly, using windshield wiper motions back and forth. I think that's good. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Desert Date, which is this color. I'm just going in just directly under the previous color, just above my crease. And like I said, I'm just trying to get a gradient of color, going from light to the deepest. I've had this palette for a while, but this is actually my first time using it. I purchased it when it went on sale. So that's how we're looking so far. Now I'm going to go in with the even deeper color. I'm going to go in with this color here, which is Thorn. And I'm going to use that in my crease. It's going to be an all matte look today. Something very smoky. And so that's what we're working with right now. And now I'm going to go in with the even deeper color. I'm going to use the color Shay on my lid here. That's actually my husband's nickname. So I'm going to put Shay all over my lids. And now I'm just going to blend around that. Alright, and so that's how the lids are looking. As you can see, it's the gradient of color from light to dark. I used the darkest color on my lids just to make it smoky. And now I'm going to do the under eye. I'm going to go back in with that tamarind color, the first one that I used in my transition. And then I'm going to go in with Thorn. And then I'm going to go back in with Shea. So that's the eyes for now. I'm going to go and put on some liner, mascara, and lashes, and then I'll be back with the final look. So this is the full eye look. So it's a smoky brown eye using the Safari palette by Natasha Denona. Just a quick fall look. I hope you enjoyed the look. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. And as always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me, and I hope to see you in my next video.